It's a facial that many celebrities swear by to get glowing, radiant skin, and you can have one too. It's called a HydraFacial. Joining us now to tell us more about it is Dr. Matt Jones from Jon Ric Medical Spa and Wellness Center. Dr. Jones, it's great to see you. How are you?
I'm great. Thank you for having me again.
Thank you for being here. We're also joined by Heather, who's our client, laying so comfortably in a cozy robe on that table, and Lauren, who's performing the HydraFacial. Talk about what this is. What makes a HydraFacial different from a regular facial?
So a regular facial is usually just, it's done for skin cleansing. It's a very relaxing procedure. This also, as you can tell, is very relaxing as well. But this is the newest technology in non-laser resurfacing. So on previous episodes of the show, we've talked about laser resurfacing, using lasers to turn the skin over and make it fresh and new. Now we're talking about doing a procedure that does not involve any downtime, that's very relaxing and comfortable, using serums to really nourish the skin.
Okay, how does this improve the quality of your skin?
So this procedure actually combines three of the traditional procedures that you would get at a spa. It combines a full extraction facial, it combines a dermabrasion using a water jet rather than using a crystal or sandpaper, and it does a mild chemical peel using glycolic and salicylic acid to really help the skin turn over. And all through the procedure you can see that there's some fluid on her face. The serums that the machine uses are very hydrating and nourishing. They're loaded with growth factors and antioxidants that really get down deep into the skin and help the skin become healthier from the inside out.
Oh wow, so again, it's not damaging in any way like some of the other procedures that we can have done. There is downtime. There's a lot of redness. You do not get that with the HydraFacial.
No, you don't. You may have a little bit of redness, but after the procedure, people love the way their skin looks. It's very plump and healthy, youthful looking, hydrated. Most importantly, it's a very hydrating procedure, which is great because in the wintertime when it's dry, you get rehydrated. In the summertime when you're in the sun all the time, your skin needs more moisture. And that's the one thing that goes away, especially as we age. You start to lose that hyaluronic acid in your skin. This helps put it back in the appropriate place.
Oh, now can this help with fine lines and wrinkles, reduce
Absolutely.
the appearance of them?
Yeah, so the chemical peel does what traditional chemical peels do. Now I want to make it clear that this is not one of those chemical peels where your face is going to fall off afterwards, okay? Right. You don't have to worry about your skin cracking and peeling off in sheets like some really strong chemical peels do. This is a very mild chemical peel, but what it does is it helps the skin become thicker and healthier, and as a result, the fine lines and wrinkles flatten out, the pigmentation issues in your skin go away, and issues like inflammatory issues like rosacea and acne are much improved because we get down into the skin and take the inflammation out of the skin. It's
very gentle, but it gets the job done. Exactly. We've got some before and after pictures to show you. The first one that we're putting up on the screen, take a look at this.
Right, so this is some hyperpigmentation, and you can see that after a series of treatments, this young lady had some improvement in that hyperpigmentation. It really just helps take some of that pigment and color out of the skin. It also works well with wrinkles, as you can see here.
Wow.
At the top, you know, some deep set. These are not just fine lines and wrinkles. This is helping to improve the overall quality of the skin and can improve even the deep set wrinkles.
And Dr. Jones, is this after a series of HydraFacials?
So some of these before and afters are some of the more impressive results. It's going to take a few pictures. This lady has some rosacea that's improved on the right-hand side, but you will see immediate results. Your skin is healthier, has a glow to it. It's radiant after a single procedure.
What do your clients and patients say after they receive a HydraFacial? What seems to be the reaction?
Thank you. And where do I sign up for more? Right. No, they love the way it feels. They love the way their skin looks afterwards. We've had some reviews on our website where people have come on and said, I haven't felt like I've not needed to wear makeup in such a long time. This procedure is great. So people that get it love it universally. They almost always come back for another procedure.
As we age, it seems to be something that all women want. We want to even out the skin tone because we get older and we start getting developing these sunspots and that kind of thing, and the HydraFacial can really help with that.
It can help with that. It can help prevent them. It can help reverse some of those signs of aging if you already have them. It's just a very nice procedure and a great way to treat yourself. If you're looking for a way just to escape, come on up to the spa. It's a really nice place. We might hand you a glass of wine or something, and then you lay down and Lauren will take care of you. And it really is a relaxing, comfortable procedure. It's something that you can do on a weekly basis if you're really trying to work hard to get rid of lines and wrinkles and hyperpigmentation, or it's something that we can do on a monthly basis just as a treat to really help catch your skin back up and get out from behind the 8 ball.
It really is a beautiful facility. Charlotte Today viewers can receive a free consultation with Dr. Jones by calling the number on your screen at 704-665-0058. Again, 704-665-0058. If you mention Charlotte Today, you'll receive 20% off your first treatment for a HydraFacial or for
Yeah, anything actually. Come on in. If you want to buy some products, you get 20% off those as well.
Just mention Charlotte today. That's all you have to do. Again, the number 704-665-0058. You can also learn more by visiting JonRicCharlotteMedicalSpa.com. JonRicCharlotteMedicalSpa.com, located over near the Park Road Shopping Center. Thank you so much. It's great to see you.
Not a problem. It's great to see you again.
And you ladies just relax. Heather, you just, take a load off. Just sit there for the rest of it. It's a hard job, right? I know.